Hi, welcome to First Tribal Lending. My name is Juel Burnett, and I am the branch manager for our Sioux Falls, South Dakota office. I am a member of the Rosebud Sioux tribe, and I have been serving Indian country for the last 24 years in the mortgage and banking arena. Thanks for visiting our website. Here are some answers to some of the most common questions we get asked. It is a mortgage loan for a house on real property. What does that mean? There must be land, and the house must be attached to the land. An example would be a manufactured home on a permanent foundation or a standard house. The land part can be the land that you own or the land that you lease from the tribe. The loan is very flexible and can be used to build, renovate, remodel, purchase, and refinance. The way the law was passed required at least one of the borrowers to be an enrolled member of a federally recognized tribe. Because the tribes are sovereign, it is up to them to decide who is a member. If you are unsure of your status or want to find out about enrollment, you must contact your tribe directly. The good news is, you may have noticed I said one borrower must be enrolled. Your non-native spouse or partner can be on the loan with you, and you may qualify even if they have all the income. No, you can use the loan for any property in an approved area even if your tribe is not located nearby. No, you must be ready to build right away. The loan can be used for both the land purchase and the construction. This is partially up to you and partially up to us. There's a lot of documentation that has to be provided for a mortgage loan in the world that we live in today. Much of that documentation comes from you. The loan process is sort of a partnership between you and your loan advisor to get the right stuff together for the person who will approve the loan. We can do a pre-approval for you pretty quickly, usually within a couple of days. The actual closing process usually takes 30 to 45 days because there are a lot of reports and due diligences that everyone has to do. Buying a house is a big decision, and you certainly don't want to rush into it without making sure that you know everything possible about the house you want to buy. Yes, however, it can come from tribal assistance, gifts, community assistance, and your savings. We have a whole video about that. Check out the Tribal Trust video on our website. There is no minimum credit score for a Section 184 loan. Credit is important, and if you want to learn more about the requirements, one of our videos on this website will go into more detail. The maximum limits for a Section 184 loan range between $271,000 and $417,000 in the lower 48 states. The specific limit depends on the county where you wish to reside. Your personal limit may be lower based upon your down payment, income, and other debts. When you apply on our website, we will do an analysis and let you know what your maximum loan amount would be. This number is important to know when you go out to shop for a home. An appraisal is an independent opinion of the value of the property that you own or wish to buy. After the real estate meltdown a few years ago, laws were put into place to ensure the independence of the appraisal process. Only your lender can order and choose the appraiser. The loan officer, realtor, and borrower are not allowed to be involved with selecting the appraiser. No one is allowed to ask the appraiser to change the value of his or her appraisal unless you have evidence of other sales to be given. Most appraisals are based on comparing your property to other similar properties that have sold recently. Adjustments are then made for any differences. The appraiser must find at least 3 of these comps, comparable sales, to use in his report. By law, you are entitled to a copy of your appraisal. You should read it carefully. It is intended to help you and the lender make a good decision about the price of the home you wish to buy. Thank you for listening to our video. I'm sure you have more questions which we are happy to answer. Our contact information is on our website.